welcome to Java Programming Tutorial. I'm Michelle Bell from STA College Olongapo, and I'm here to discuss one example of stack in Java. Stack is a linear data structure. The concept of stack are stack using arrays and stack using linked lists. Access system of stack called last in first out or LIFO means the last element being inserted is the first element to be removed. The operation of stacks are push and pop. Push means adding the element of stack and pop is to remove the element of stack. Now let's create a program in stack using JCreator. Now I will create a package. Next, I declare the class and name it stack. Then, the main method public static void main string args. Next, I create a stack parameter string variable m. And now, we declared m as a container where we can put the elements. Next thing to do is to enter and add an element. I used to add muko as the first element, and then we were going to print that particular element. Next, like the first element, I used to enter another name as second element, or also print the second element. Then, I used to enter Louis as the last or third element. Then we were going to print that again. The next one is to pop the element. M.pop print stack m. This means automatically removing or deleting the last element that you've been inserted. For now, the remaining elements are muko and boats. Here we go again to insert a new element. M.push private. I used to add private as next to element Louis. Then print the element. Next is to M.push manyago means add element manyago, and then print again. The last one is add element bigkas, and then print again. M.pop print stack m. M.pop print stack m. This means it will remove and delete the last two elements that you've been inserted. But still, the code does not affect the stack, and it will not run the output. To show the output, we need to create another method. Now we create a method for the print stack containing parameter of stack with a variable s recognizing a string. I create a condition using if-else statement, saying if s is empty, it will print empty stack. If-else statement, it will print empty stack. If false, it goes to else statement, printing that the output contains elements. Sumobra. Yan. Tapos, iraran ko na. Hindi, pinost ko. Oo, pinost ko. Now I'm going to compile the output and run the program. This is the output of the code. Thanks for watching.